recording of this. So Eve was talking about hammer-ons, pull-offs, and we're just going to do like one note, the C note here, which is in the third fret on the A string. I'm using, in this case, I'm using my ring finger to pluck the string and then immediately hammer on to get that sound. I am electrified, so yeah, you're hearing it, but I'm also placing my finger in the sweet spot. If I don't have it in the sweet spot, I'm getting it muddied and not loud and not as clear. So it's right here. Now watch this. Now we're going to practice the pull off. And it's like a snap. Will you do that with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. And now we could do like a different rhythm. So one of the things I like to do with the pentatonic scale is that hammer-on pull-off going down, doing descending version like this. That was kind of messy. I'll tell you, this is
Okay, now
gonna
now
build
I'm
up your
getting
chops.
now I'm getting the on, but the off, I can't get the off.
Well, you're gonna have to do it a few hundred times.
I don't
Start off nice and easy. Just what if you watch just watch my ring finger here. You see, I'm just going. I'm pulling down on that string like that. Nice and light.
Maybe it would work better if she used a different finger.
Maybe. But, if you're going to continue to do this, you might be stuck with that ring finger. Uh, this is one reason why it's such a great finger exercise, because there might be times as you progress, you're going to need to use your baby finger to pull off or hammer on. So, we don't want to get used to using our two major big hitters, the index finger and the middle finger. Yeah, it's easier to do it, but not all. That won't always be the case. And if we're making a C chord, let's say we're doing a hound dog and we're doing, you ain't nothing but a hound dog. So I'm already there. You ain't nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. Nothing but a hound dog, crying all the time. So I used my baby finger there for a second as well. So I hate to be the courier of bad news, but it's repetition. That's all it is. You just got to do it a gazillion times. And each time it's just, I like to think that we're just laying another microscopic layer of Velcro in our brains so it sticks and we get it in our muscles.
You're still recording.
I know.